Hello everyone, how's going? Welcome back into BB Tutorials. In this video, we are going to discuss about analytical structural evidences for derivation of structure of benzene and uses of some benzene containing compounds. So, here are some evidences for structure of benzene. When we go for structure analysis of any compound, initially we determine the elements present in that compound. It is known as elemental analysis. In organic chemistry, we have already conducted some experiment regarding qualitative analysis of organic compounds. In that experiment, the elemental detection is carried out. So which test is used for elemental detection? Yes, exactly. It is Lassen's test. It is also known as sodium fusion test. But in analysis, various methods can be used for elemental analysis. Previously, gravimetric analysis is used for elemental analysis, but nowadays H1NMR, C13NMR and IR, these are most preferred methods for elemental analysis. So by using any of these tests, it was found that benzene contains only carbon and hydrogens. Now, let's go for molecular weight determination. We can detect molecular weight by using mass spectroscopy very accurately. From mass spectroscopy, it was found that at 78 mass to charge ratio, the intensity of the peak is 100%. So by using empirical formula detection and molecular formula detection, it was found that benzene contains molecular formula C6H6. Now let's check the compound is saturated or unsaturated. We know that the molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. We also know that the number of hydrogen atoms are greater than or equal to twice the number of carbon atoms. Then the compound is said to be saturated. But from molecular formula of the benzene, it is concluded that the benzene is unsaturated compound. Now, let's check whether the compound is straight chain or not by using some chemical reactions. First, we will go for reaction with bromine. If benzene is straight chain compound, it will definitely decolorize bromine in presence of carbon tetrachloride. But benzene does not give any reaction with bromine, which conclude that the benzene does not have straight chain. Next reaction is with potassium permanganate. Any unsaturated compound, when reacted with potassium permanganate, it decolorizes the cold solution of potassium permanganate. But benzene does not show any reaction with potassium permanganate. So, benzene does not have straight chain. Next reaction is with water. Benzene does not add water in presence of acids. From the above reactions, it is concluded that though benzene is unsaturated, it did not behave like alkenes and alkynes. So whether the benzene is straight chain or not? Yes, exactly, it is not a straight chain compound. Now let's check whether the benzene is cyclic or not. For that purpose, we have to perform some tests to conclude cyclic structure of benzene. First test is reaction with bromine in presence of iron bromide. Benzene reacted with bromine in presence of iron bromide as a catalyst to form monobromobenzene. From the above reaction, it is concluded that only one monosubstituted benzene is obtained and no isomeric products are obtained, indicated that all 6 hydrogen atoms in benzene were identical. This could be possible only if benzene had a cyclic structure of 6 carbons and to each carbon was attached one hydrogen. Next reaction is with hydrogen. Benzene added 3 moles of hydrogen in presence of nickel catalyst to give cyclohexane. This reaction proves that 3 hydrogen molecules are required for reduction of benzene. It means that benzene contains 3 double bonds. According to these two reactions, the cyclic structure of the benzene is confirmed and also showed the presence of 3 carbon-carbon double bonds. Now, let's check structure and uses of subbenzene containing compounds. First compound is DDT, that is dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane, and here is the structure for dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane, that is DDT. It is used as powerful insecticide. It kills mosquitoes, especially Anopheles mosquitoes. It is also used as pesticides. Next compound is BHC, that is benzene hexachloride. Here is the structure for benzene hexachloride. It is used as pesticide in agriculture. It is used to treat food crops and forest products. It is also used to treat seeds. It is mostly used for soil treatment. In livestock and pets treatment, it is mostly preferred. In pharmaceutical field, it is used for lice and scabies treatment in the form of shampoos and lotions. Next compound is saccharin. You all know about the saccharin. Saccharin is an artificial sweetener in drinks, medicine, toothpaste, etc. Along with aspartame, it is used in diet carbonated drinks. It is mostly prepared for the diabetic patients to reduce the consumption of sugar. So, in this video, we have completed analytical and structural analysis of structure of benzene and uses of some benzene containing compounds. If you like this video, kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.